Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Asana on your laptop or PC. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, streamline your to-dos, or just get all your tasks organized in one easy place, Asana's desktop app is an absolute game changer. By the end of this video, you'll have the Asana app up and running, ready to start tackling your projects with confidence. So let's get started. The process is quick, straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step. To begin, open up your laptop or desktop and launch your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whatever you prefer. Now, head over to google.com. You might be used to searching for apps in the Microsoft Store or Mac App Store, but for Asana, going directly through Google is often the fastest way to find the official installer. Next, in the Google search bar, type Download Asana Desktop App. It's important to include desktop in your search so you don't land on the web version or their mobile app by mistake. Typing that whole phrase helps ensure you see exactly what we're looking for. Take a moment to check your spelling, but don't stress. Google is pretty forgiving if you're a little off. After you hit enter, you'll see a list of options come up. Now, you want to look for the official Asana website in the search results. Sometimes it'll say something like, Asana, download Asana's desktop app, or desktop app, Asana help. Try to avoid ads or third-party sites. Sticking to the official Asana link keeps things secure and trustworthy. If you're ever unsure, just hover over the link for a second and make sure it says www.asana.com. Once you've found the right result, click through to the Asana website. You should land on a page that talks specifically about their desktop app. Here's where you'll see a button that says something like Download Desktop App. Go ahead and click that button. This might prompt a download right away, or on some browsers, you may be asked where you want to save the installer file. Just pick a spot you can easily find, like your Downloads folder or desktop. Downloading the file can take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so don't worry if it doesn't pop up instantly. Once the download finishes, locate the installer. Usually it'll have a name like Asana Setup.exe on Windows or Asana DMG on Mac. Double-click to start the installation process and follow any on-screen instructions. Typically, it's just a matter of pressing Next a couple of times and letting the installer do its thing. If your computer asks for permission to install, go ahead and allow it. This is just your system's way of keeping things secure. And that's it. Once the installation wraps up, the Asana app will either launch automatically or you'll find it in your Start menu or Applications folder. From there, sign in with your Asana account and you're ready to rock. If any part of this seemed a little tricky, just take it slow. Sometimes the download or install can take a minute, but that's totally normal. Remember, every step you take is one closer to a more organized, less stressful workflow. Alright, that's how you install Asana on your laptop or PC. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have other questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.